Hey folks, so sa mga hindi nakakilala, ako sa N01 Entertainment. Ako yung mga nag-i-interview dito. So, yeah, thanks sa mga constructive criticism. And yung sa mean comments, I guess thanks pa rin. And, well, syempre minsan nasasagot ko din kayo kasi tao rin naman ako. And, you know naman, di ba? It's not easy to actually even ask and stop someone para interviewin even yung mga sobrang seasoned na journalist hirap dyan. So, alam yun. Anyways, I'm here to talk about Gerald Anderson na nagpatulfo. And this is actually not my reaction, but the reaction of one of the people who work with me, RMS. Yun na lang yung ano niya, yung kanyang initials. So, babasahin na lang natin na bilib na bilib talaga kami dito kay Gerald Anderson. Ginamitan pa niya ng restlessness psycho effect. O, diba? Wow. And great acting nuances ang pagpunta niya ng live sa Tulfo show ni Raffy Tulfo. And of course, that's, diba? Raffy Tulfo in action of Senator Raffy Tulfo. Pumunta siya sa show bilang si Samuel Trinidad, isang bank teller. At humingi siya ng tulong kay Tulfo na sana ay lubayan na siya ng mga taong naghahabol sa tatay niya who scammed people 30 billion pesos. Okay, cut muna tayo. Actually, ako napanood ko mismo to, yung first part lang, and paniwalang-paniwala ako. I even told my mga katabi that time na, hala, grabe, ganyan pala yung ni Gerald Anderson. So, you see, that's how fake news spreads. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. Spread by chismis. Yeah, that's why important talaga na tapusin natin ang videos. Anyways, yeah. Tapos ang twist nga dito ay namin ng Samuel Trinidad na yon na nasa kanya pala ang pera all along. Entrusted to him by his dad bago nito in-alive yung kanyang sarili. Grr. O, hindi ako nagsabi nito Ay, nagsabi nito si RMS. Yung ano ko, business partner. Diba? Social media partner. Hi, buisit. Promo lang ito pala ng bagong teleserye ni Gerald sa channel actually hindi to channel 5 diba? Sins of the Father. So that's a kapamilya show as far as I know. Basta channel na Sins of the Father na malapit nang mapanood sa television. Kami this time ang na-scam ni Gerald. Very convincing kasi ang guesting niya sa Tulfo show. At si Senator Raffy Tulfo himself. So, I could just imagine, like, super, you know, pag si Senator Raffy Tulfo talaga, yung, di ba, magtawata siya, ganun talaga. So, it's so cute, di ba? Actually, I might post, abangan nyo sa aking social media pages na iba, like Balitutok, I might post highlights din from the show. So, ayan. So, at continue ko lang. At si Senator Raffy Tulfo himself, magaling rin sumalo sa pagpapanggap ni Gerald bilang si Samuel Trinidad. Pero teka, hindi ko opinion to kay RMS to. Pero babasahin ko with feelings para maaliw kayo. Pero teka, sobrang gwapo ni Gerald ngayon, ha? Oozing din siya with sex appeal. Grabe. Tiyak namin, papatok sa ratings game, ang Sins of the Father. So, yun na siya. Anong masasabi niyo sa guesting ni Gerald Anderson? Siyempre, hindi namin masyado dinitalye para hindi ma-spoil. So, comment down below. And, of course, we also do reviews here, not just interviews. So, kung may gusto kayong review, whatever, diba? Review na interview, review na feud ng mga vloggers, diba? Influencers, basta name it. Kung may gusto kayong reactan kami, we also do reactions here. We just don't get to do it that often because I don't really often got time. Diba? Makikita nyo naman, I'm in different events. Like later, let me just promote. I will actually be support nyo din to sa event ng we have this sa Trinoma. If you're near Trinoma, of course, we know Pride Month ngayon. I will be wait lang. Real Pride. So, yeah, that's actually a film festival that will be ongoing sa Trinoma. Mamaya, I think it's, well, it's opening, so it's invite only, but you should check, the Facebook page of Ayala Mall Cinemas for the schedule. I believe it will be a film festival for the Pride Month, showcasing different LGBTQIA++ films, or queer films, and you also have the invite only. Hindi ko na sabihin yung lugar, baka i-gate crash nyo. Screening, di ako invited, so pupunta lang ako after siguro there as a fan. Hindi ba reset? Amon. Many fans do that, so technically that's not great crashing because, you know, the show will have ended by then. So there's like an invite-only advanced screening of Song of the Fireflies, which I believe will be showing I don't know if sa 28 or early July, check nyo na lang na ano ni Morissette. And of course, since I love Morissette, I hope you do too. Then we also promote her Embers, her show in October. It's a solo concert. Hindi rin ako invited dun. Hindi tayo madalas ma-invite. So, kaya, gumagawa tayo ng sarili nating features. But, that's okay. We'll still show the support to the shows that are good. Yung mga shows na hindi ganun ka-good, yun na lang. Padaanin lang natin sa newsfeed natin. So, yun lang. Thanks for watching.